Hi everyone, I'm Wafa Langao and welcome you all in Grammar in Detail. If you are new and not subscribed the channel, so subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get some more videos about grammar. Today we are going to discuss the ninth kind of verb that is known as stative verbs. Definition of stative verbs: those verbs which usually show mental feelings, emotions, and also a state of a person, place, or a thing. There is usually a mental involvement rather than hands and legs movement are called stative verbs. Stative verbs are the mental feelings where we think about. Mental feelings means thinking, to think about. And in mental feeling, just there is only thinking. Emotions are there, feelings are there. And also state of a person. State is what? He is a doctor of a person, state of a person. Karachi is a city, state of a place. It is a laptop, state of a thing. There is usually mental feeling. Usually means 80% there is mental feeling rather than the movements of hands and legs. you know Here we don't move hands and legs, maybe 20% those are involved, but 80% you will have the mental feelings rather than the movements of hands and legs. One note is there, we will be okay. What are the stative verbs? First we will look, put a glance on them. Appear, worry, want, know, understand, fear, like, dislike, believe, concern, consist of, expect, care, feel, think, forget, forgive, eat, love, have, keep, matter, mean, mind, notice, owe, own, possess, prefer, realize, recognize, identify, remember, see, understand, seem, smell, suppose, trust, wish, etc. These are your stative verbs. There are a lot of stative verbs, but these are selected just to make you understand that what actually stative verbs are. One note we will be talking about: stative verbs are not usually used in continuous tenses. You may use them, 20%, but 80% you are not going to use them. 80% not going to use them. Clear? And 20% you might use them in rare cases. Use them. And 80% you will not use them, just 20% in rare cases that I will make you understand how. Like, so keep in your mind, because in the present continuous tense you have to use them in present or past simple, present indefinite or past indefinite, to express a continued state. They give certain meaning, so you need not to use them in your continuous tenses. Now examples are, you can use them, yes, 80% in indefinite tenses and past indefinite tense or present indefinite. You rare cases may use them 20% in your, but the meaning again will not be clear as compared to indefinite tenses. I say he likes his mother. Now this is what, he likes his mother. Like is the verb which is showing his mental feeling regarding his mother. If I say he's liking his mother, so it means this action is going on now, but we need not to use them now, like, because they've got a certain meaning. Everywhere he is, he just remembers his mother, so we say he likes his mother, not he is liking his mother. We love our parents. See, we have love for them in our art. If I say we are loving our parents, so now I am teaching and you are listening to me. So this is what, we say that we love our, that is a certain sort of love which we have, and that it has got a continued state in your mind. It should be in your mind that it gives a certain meaning. We love our parents. In the same way, we will not say we are loving our parents. We ate them, you ate them, you are eating them. That is not used in this tense. We say we ate them. Clear? And she thinks a lot. I say, we are talking generally about her, that she thinks a lot. As she says, she starts thinking. If I say she's thinking a lot, means now she is thinking. Clear? So 20% you may use them, no doubt it is, but we use them in our certain meanings. She thinks a lot in a general discussion. In the same way, we worried them. Clear? We are worrying them, not. We worried them a lot. Now, worried them, by our acts and behaviors. And this is what, now they are thinking about us, that they did bad with us. So this is, a thinking process, a mental feeling, rather than the movement of hands and legs. They understand your problem. Now they understand your problem. It is, we will not say they are understanding your problem. They understand your problem. General discussion is there and we are talking about it. So that is known as your stative verb. And there is no any space between understand and understanding. That should be removed. I remember you. Everywhere I go, I remember you, that yes, your goodness, your loyalty, and that is what I do not forget that. But if I say I'm remembering you, now this process is like I was before mental and now I am going to know you. So you will not say that I'm remembering you. In a certain meaning, you need to say that I remember you. The situation seems dangerous. The situation is seeming dangerous, we wouldn't say. We would prefer this indefinite tense more than the continuous, the progressive tense. We say the situation seems dangerous. Politicians possess property abroad. Out of the country they have got their property. We will not say politicians are possessing property abroad. They possess property abroad, as they say that the situation of the country is bad, now just to quit and run away. So you can say that politicians possess property abroad. You'll not say politicians are possessing property abroad. So these all you need to use them in indefinite tenses as compared to your continuous tenses. And one thing, they are mental feelings like love, hate, think, worried, understand, remember, seen, and possess. So this is all about the stative verbs. Hope you got today's lecture. Wish you best of luck. See you next time with next lecture. Goodbye.